Hi, this video TRB 2012 Polytechnic exam question paper solution for control system part B, that is 2 mark question solution. So first question, the state space model of the system is given. We need to find the response for a step input will be. So for that the formula is response for step input is e power at x of 0 plus L inverse of phi of s b into u of s. This is the formula. First we need to find this value, then we have to find pi of s p into u. Substitute these two values here, we can get the answer. So first step is we need to find e power at. So for that a is given, si we need to find si minus a, and from that we can find phi of s is equal to si minus a the whole inverse. While taking inverse for this, we get the answer for this one is, and take inverse for this particular function, we get the e power at, that is state transition matrix e power t, 0, t e power t and e power t. And then we need to find phi of s b into u of s. This is the phi of s matrix. B value is 1 1 and u of s value. Simply multiply these two by row column method, then we get the answer like this. And already we know the Laplace transform of step input is 1 by s. Then simplify this, we can get this answer. So again, while solving, we need to take inverse for this particular function. We can directly inverse for this by using shifting property. So here s is replaced by s minus 1, so e power t. Instead of this minus 1, we can write t. Remaining, we can neglect this minus 1 by s squared. 1 by s squared means t. For this term, we need to apply the partial fraction and take inverse, then we get the answer as minus 1 plus e power t. So now substitute these two values, that is state transition matrix and x of 0 value, initial value is given, and this value. Again perform multiplication by row column method, then we get this matrix. While adding these two, we get the final answer. The correct answer for this particular problem is option B. Second question, the state space model of a system has a is equal to minus 4, minus 1, 2, minus 1, and b, c and d value are given. A transfer function will be. We need to find transfer function. So for that, first we need to find si minus a. This is the si minus a. Then we need to take inverse for this particular function. So generally 2 cross 2 matrix inverse means 1 divided by determinant value, and simply interchange the diagonal element and change the sign of the off diagonal element, then we get the inverse of particular matrix. So finally the transfer function is c into u of s into b. C value is 2 3 and b value is 3 2, and remaining value, this denominator value and this matrix is u of s. Now simply perform row column multiplication. Multiplication of these two gives this one, and again multiplication of these two gives the remaining value. While simplifying this, we can get the answer 12s plus 44 divided by s plus 2 into s plus 3. The correct option is option A. Third question, a phase advanced circuit has a transfer function gc of s equal to 1 plus 0.2s divided by 1 plus 0.02s. Its maximum phase lag is option given. So in general, the transfer function of the compensator is 1 plus ts divided by 1 plus alpha into ts. Just compare this function with the given function. We can get t is equal to 0.2, alpha t is equal to 0.02. From that we can find the alpha value. So already we know the formula for maximum phase shift, phi m is equal to sine inverse 1 minus alpha divided by 1 plus alpha. While substituting this, we can get the answer 54.9. The correct option is option C. Some question they are asking extra question from this corresponding question. Maximum frequency omega m is equal to 1 divided by 2 root alpha. So already we know the value of t and alpha. Substitute in this formula, we get maximum frequency 15.8 radian per second. Then fourth question, a closed loop control system has open loop gain 100. It has feedback loop has a negative feedback gain 0.005 option is given: A 0.67, B 0.866, C 1.4, D 2. So generally sensitivity formula is 1 divided by 1 plus GH. So substitute G and H value. G is gain, open loop gain, and H is feedback gain. Substitute this value to we get 0.67. The correct option is option A. Question. Then last question, question 5. This question is some mistake, but I will explain the general concept. The transfer function 4 into s square plus 25 divided by s square plus 2.5 s plus 100 is given. We need to find low pass notch filter, low Q band pass, high Q band pass, or high pass notch filter. Generally notch filter is nothing but band reject filter. So this is the general notation of all the type of filter. Omega n square divided by s square plus 2 tau omega n s plus omega n squared means low pass. In the numerator, s squared is there means high pass. 2 tau omega n s is there means band pass. S squared plus omega n squared is there means band reject, band elimination, or band stop, or notch filter. So from this we can identify given function is notch filter or band reject or band elimination filter. So then we need to find the Q value. So already we know from the second order system omega n squared is equal to 1 by LC. From that we can find 1 by C is equal to 100L. 2 tau omega n is equal to R by L. From the given transfer function we get 25. From this value we can find Q. Q is nothing but 1 by R root of L by C. While substituting this, Q value is less than 10. Less than 10 means low Q value. So the answer for this particular question is low Q. I think here instead of pass we have low Q and high Q. This is low Q notch filter. Thank you for watching. Thank you.